Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do common denominator for this one in here. Now we need to combine two fractions together. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we just have only a minus b. We want to create about a square minus b square because we want to cancel about the square root. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. Now, if we simplify this one, we have 1 minus 1 plus x. So 1 minus 1 we cancel and we just have only negative x. X divided by x. Now we can put number 0 on here and here. And now we have the final answer. This one we have negative 1 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.